Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install Xfinity streaming app on your Amazon Fire Stick device. So the Xfinity Stream is one of the best streaming service, make it very easy for user to enjoy different shows and movies available on the platform. Xfinity Stream is available in most of the countries. It may be ban your country, but you can still access it by the help of a VPN. Xfinity Stream is officially not available on Amazon Fire Stick App Store. If you want to download Xfinity Stream on your Amazon Fire Stick device, first you need to jailbreak on Fire Stick. So what you have to do, you need to press remote home button for 3 seconds. And here as you can see 4 options, so click on settings. Now here move forward and find my Fire TV option. Once you have find my Fire TV option, then click on, and here click on developer option. Now here what you have to do, you need to scroll down apps from unknown source and press remote select button. When you press remote select button, a message will appear on your screen, so click turn on. Now here as you can see apps from unknown source has been enabled, it means Fire Stick jailbreak. Now go back home screen by pressing remote home button. After jailbreaking on Fire Stick, you need to download downloader on your Amazon Fire Stick device. So what you have to do, you need to click on search icon above the menu and type here downloader. When you type DO, the suggestion below downloader, so scroll down and click on. Now here as you can see orange color downloader app, so click on. Now click on download button. After downloading downloader, click on open button. When you launch downloader first time, it will ask you allow some permission, so click on allow and then click on OK. And here as you can see downloader search box, so click on and type here firesticklab.com Xfinity APK. When you type firesticklab.com/Xfinity APK, then click on go button. When the downloading is complete, it will automatically open on installation menu. So click on install button for installing Xfinity Stream on your Amazon Fire Stick device. So the Xfinity Stream app has been installed. Now you open Xfinity Stream app from here and also from home. So after installing Xfinity Stream app, click on done button and delete APK file. Now go back home screen by pressing remote home button. And here again press remote home button for 3 seconds. Now click on apps. And here you will find all application that is installed on Fire Stick device. So if you want to open Xfinity streaming app, scroll down and you will find Xfinity streaming app. So here is the Xfinity streaming app. Now click on. When you launch Xfinity Stream app first time, it will ask you allow some permissions, so click on allow. Now click on get start. And if you have Xfinity streaming app account, so type here your email and password and click on sign in button. And you don't have Xfinity streaming app account, so first you create a Xfinity account and then log in. So you can use this method to download Xfinity streaming app on your Amazon Fire Stick device. And I hope this video was really helpful for you. And please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.